Guys, welcome back. My name is James, the designer. Now today I'm gonna tell you something about CAD, a software called CAD. It's mostly used for web design and it's free. The only thing you need to do is sign up for the account, and that's it. After signing up for the account and everything is settled, signing up, una create a website yako vizuri, one cool website without any damage. I'm very interested. Let me show you.
If you're using a phone like me, just go to Google, search CAD, and that's it. You'll find lots of templates there that you can use for free. Then just do your thing, edit what you are seeing there. After that, you put the links, utaonyesha tu mahali ya kuweka links. After that, you publish your thing, and that's it. You just publish it and it's on air. Everybody can see it. See how easy it is. Now, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.